she'll come to call on girl. She surely set his heart whirl. If only wants her boy to see, she must come out on balcony. Moon in sky like pizza pie. Boy, don't meet girl, he surely die. So come on out and quit your kicking. You're a pretty chick, but don't be chicken. Boy was hit by Cupid's dart.
I come to you to pour out my heart.
Treat him nice and treat him good,
And we two can be an item.
knock on wood.
I will be right down. Don't go away.
Goldie's coming down, TC. What'll I do?
Don't worry, Chooch, I'll take your place. In the moonlight and with these masks, she'll never know the difference. Now watch closely. Ah, my dear, my life begins. Shall we promenade amidst the pomme de terres?
And you're going to take off your mask?
In due time, my little cabbage, but leave us allow our hearts to become acquainted first. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways.
I just adore poetry.
Why not, my little apple blossom? After all, it is the language of love.
Tell me another poem.
A poem?
Something sad and full of meaning.
Well, 30 days, half September, April, June, and November.
Is that all?
Yeah. All the rest have 31, except February, naturally.
My love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June.
Oh, la 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 la.
You see, kid, she's crazy about you.
Gosh, she kissed me.
Sure, and you loved it.
You know, TC, this is the first time I ever kissed a girl by remote control.
What do you say, kid? Think you're ready to solo?
Well, what do you think?
Go knock 'em out of the sky, kiddo.
Go ahead. Say something.
Sure. Ain't it terrible about Marie Antoinette?
Silly boy. You're better at other things we could do together.
What? Oh, yeah. Can you do this?
Well, I meant something we could do together.
Eh? Oh, sure, sure. Want to race me around the block?
No, darling, I am not in the mood for running.
Excuse me a minute. I fear she's a bit beyond me.
Now, pal, you're doing great. It's what you wanted, ain't it?
Yeah, that's right, but show me just once more. Kiss her and hug her for me, please.
Well, okay. After all, that's what friends are for. But this is positively the last time, so pay attention. Believe me, darling, if all those endearing young charms...
Try your charm on this.
Steady, Pierre, this is all new bridge work.
Pierre, what is the meaning of this?
This person, he is forcing his attention on you, yes?
No, put that down. You have no right.
No right at all.
I want to be with him
She wants to be with me
because I am going to marry him.
because she's going to marry.
But of course I will, darling. Mm.
Ah, well, in that case,
That is better. I must go in, but I want you boys to be friends.
my apologies, monsieur, and congratulations.
Save him, Pierre. I'm not marrying anybody.
You mean you do not intend to marry Goldie?
You got the message, Jack.
You cannot do this. You break her heart. You are a non-sénégalais sacre bleu. Tui.
Would you repeat that?
You are a non-sénégalais sacre bleu. Tui.
I got a feeling you're trying to tell me something, Frenchie.
I challenge you to the duel.
A duel? Now, look, Pierre, this is all a mistake.
Be here at noon on the tomorrow. Pierre shall hunt you down like a dog.
A dog?
Au revoir, but not goodbye.
Anything wrong, TC?
Oh, no, everything's just fine. Except that Pierre is going to shoot me like a dog.
A dog?
Yeah, and Goldie's going to marry me.
Marry you?
Well, it's not my idea.
You dog. You lowlife. You've wanted her for yourself all along. I've been a dupe, but now I see it all. I hope Pierre aims true and pierces your pusillanimous traitorous heart with his first volley.
Now he learns how to talk.